This video is a follow-along tutorial for the AMEB Violin Preliminary Technical work. Thanks for joining me today, and please make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. G major, bowing number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, bowing number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, bowing number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, bowing number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major, bowing number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. D major, bowing number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. A major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. D major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. Exercise PA. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise PB. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise PC. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise PD. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Exercise PF. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for joining me here today. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below.